So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can mark up images before sending them on the Windows WhatsApp application. Now let's say for example if I open the WhatsApp, now if I attach some image over here, let me quickly attach some image. And now if I quickly select any, let's say if I've selected this particular image, now if I want to mark up anything over here, I just simply need to hit on this option of paint, or I can just simply click on this option of filters as well. But I would suggest you to select the paint option. Now here you can select multiple brush sizes as well. For example, if I selected red, now I want to circle this particular thing, or I want to arrow this particular thing, I can do it easily. And once I'm done, I just simply need to send this image and it is done. Or I can directly save this edited image, the marked up image, in my folders as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.